Welcome back to our channel. At the end of this video, you will be able to decide whether you need a no deposit bonus from your broker or not. Please subscribe so that you will not miss our future videos. Also see the links in the description box below if you also want to download free forex robots, indicators, courses, and books. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the market where currencies are traded. In forex trading, traders buy and sell currencies in the hopes of making a profit. One way that traders can get started in the forex market is by using a no deposit bonus. By the way, if you are also looking for a great, reliable forex broker, see the broker that I have used over the past 5 years in the description box below. A no deposit bonus is a type of bonus offered by a forex broker that does not require the trader to make a deposit into their account. Instead, the broker provides the trader with a certain amount of virtual money that can be used to trade on the forex market. This virtual money is usually credited to the trader's account as soon as they register with the broker. The main advantage of a no deposit bonus is that it allows traders to start trading in the forex market without having to risk any of their own money. This can be especially beneficial for new traders who may not have a lot of capital to invest in the market. Additionally, no deposit bonuses can be a great way to test out a new broker before committing to a real money account. However, there are also some downsides to no deposit bonuses. One of the main disadvantages is that the amount of virtual money provided by the broker is usually quite small. This means that the trader's potential profits will also be limited. Additionally, no deposit bonuses often come with strict conditions that must be met before the trader can withdraw any profits that they make. For example, some brokers may require the trader to make a certain number of trades before they can withdraw their profits. Others may require the trader to reach a certain trading volume before they can withdraw their profits. These conditions can make it difficult for traders to actually make a profit from a no deposit bonus. Another thing to be aware of is that no deposit bonus is often a limited time promotion, so traders should act fast if they want to take advantage of it. Additionally, many no deposit bonuses are only available to traders from certain countries, so traders should check with their broker to see if the bonus is available to them. In conclusion, no deposit bonuses can be a great way for new traders to get started in the forex market without having to risk any of their own money. However, traders should be aware of the downsides of no deposit bonuses and should carefully read the terms and conditions of the bonus before accepting it. Thank you for watching our video on no deposit bonuses in the forex market. We hope that you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on forex trading and other financial markets. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below.